Hey, what's up, Pony X holder? So, what's going on, my brother? This time, I'm gonna show you the Pony X price prediction of 2021. So, this is the latest price. Please watch this video. If you need this type more informative video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's start the live price prediction. Okay, guys. So, first of all, I do a giveaway of. Pony X and just upcoming just complete my 4,000 subscriber, guys, just 4,000 subscriber, and I 2,000 Pony X giveaway. So this is coming soon. Please complete click on the subscribe button. Okay, guys, let's start the live price prediction of Pony X. If you can see here, the latest price of Pony X as 0.001643 US dollar as the latest price. After that, they convert and Pony X named all to name, then the price is totally goes down. You can see here that totally very bad chain, and 18.72% they gone totally down. So why they totally gone? This is big reason, as a big reason as that this is new cryptocurrency, and this is the start of month. Every start of month, every cryptocurrencies goes down. This time the crypto market cap has totally lost 10 billion, guys, 10 billion US dollar totally lost. And if you can see here, the market cap of Pondy X is also 18.72% goes down. And if you can see here, full diluted market also to 18.71% goes down. And if you can see here, the volume of last 24 hour is almost very 34%, 34.81%, they also goes down. So why these three are market cap, full diluted market cap, volume, three are gone down very fastly. So this is one big reason, and I already said to this is the start of month. So guys, today we decide to what we do in this critical situation. Okay, or sell or buy or hold. Okay, because this is very terrible situation. Everyone cannot understand this situation to what we do. Okay, so a lot of holders message me to what we do in this time. So guys, if you can see here, the chart result as totally goes down, totally dumping. You can see here that totally goes down. They cannot take a lot, they cannot take a jump. Sometimes a lot of coins take sometimes jump, sometimes dump, but they cannot take a jump. You can see here, and the graph result, this is last 24-hour result, and absolutely the all is dump, only dump and dump. So my brothers, if you know about founding cryptocurrencies, then I hope you understand to what you do at this time. But if you cannot understand to what we do, if cryptocurrencies goes down, then I tell you, you just subscribe this channel. I updating you, you ask your question any cryptocurrencies every time. Okay, just Instagram me, my channel link, my Instagram link as on my channel, please check it and about. Okay, so this time if you can see here, the 40x result as absolutely goes down. So what we do in this critical situation? So guys, if you are losing this time, if you are you know the Pondy as 18.75% goes down. So I hope in upcoming days, this is the start of month, and I hope at the mid of month they gone like a rocket. Pondy X is very fastest cryptocurrency, everyone understand this is very fastest cryptocurrency. So in upcoming days, I hope they go starting moving off like a rocket. So wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire, they give you a good result. And if you want to buy more, then absolutely this is good time to you buy more. Please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good result. What you say, this is good time to buy or sell? Please share your opinion in a comment box. And also my expectation is very good from that. What your expectation as good? Can they can cross $1 US? What you say? Please tell me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for latest this type videos.